Tape script 5.13.1.
Hi, Aroni. We're going to Angkor Wat tomorrow. Can you help us with the rules?
No problem. If you meet a monk, you must ask their permission before taking their picture.
Okay.
You mustn't drop litter or you'll get into trouble.
Did you hear that, Sam? You have to be careful.
Okay, Mom, okay.
It's very hot, so you must wear sunscreen.
Okay.
You mustn't touch the wall carvings on any of the temples. All foreigners must buy tickets.
Are they expensive?
I'm not sure. You have to ask someone. One more thing, you mustn't wear shorts. You have to show respect to the temples and the monks.
Thanks, Aroni.
Tape script 5.13.2.
A. You must ask the monks. B. You mustn't drop litter. C. You must wear sunscreen. D. You mustn't touch the wall carvings. E. All foreigners must buy tickets. F. You mustn't wear shorts.
Tape script 5.13.3.
Hi, Lewan. I can't wait to visit Wat Phnom. Is there anything I should know before we go in?
Yes. There are lots of rules when visiting a temple. Before you enter the temple, you must remove your hat and your shoes.
I don't have a hat, but I'll take my shoes off at the door.
Okay? You mustn't touch any of the statues of Buddha.
Okay.
You must turn off your mobile phone.
Thanks, Lewan. Is there anything else I should know?
Yes. You mustn't smoke inside the temple. And you mustn't point your finger at anything or anyone.
I don't smoke, but thanks for letting me know about pointing my finger.
No problem. You must dress carefully before you go to Wat Phnom. You must cover your shoulders. You must wear long pants. And you mustn't wear shorts.
Thanks for your help, Levan.
No problem, Sam. Let's go and visit the temple.
Tape script 5.13.4.
A. You must remove your hat. B. You mustn't touch the statues. C. You must turn off your phone. D. You mustn't smoke. E. You mustn't point your finger. F. You must cover your shoulders. G. You must wear long pants. H. You mustn't wear shorts.
Tape script 5.13.5.
A. You must stop. B. You mustn't run. C. You must drive slowly. D. You mustn't sit down. E. You must be quiet. F. You mustn't smoke. G. You mustn't play loud music. H. You mustn't swim. I. You must be 18 years old.
Tape script 5.14.1.
Hi, Aruni. I'm taking Sam to visit Phnom Penh. Do you have any advice for us?
Yeah, I have a lot of advice.
Great. Can you tell us everything, Aruni?
Okay, listen carefully. You should visit the Royal Palace. You shouldn't drop litter in the street. You should visit the National Museum. You shouldn't build a nest near Satmai. It's very noisy.
Okay, Aroni, where should we build a nest?
You should build a nest on the riverside. It's very beautiful, and there are lots of worms to eat.
Thanks, Aroni. Anything else?
Yes, you shouldn't swim in the river. It's very dangerous. You should visit Silk Island.
Thanks, Aroni.
Thanks, Aroni.
No problem. Have a good trip.
Tape script 5.14.2.
A. You shouldn't drop litter in the street. B. You should build a nest on the riverside. C. You shouldn't swim in the river. D. You should visit Silk Island.
Tape script 5.14.3.
A. You should visit Shibuya. B. You should take a ride on our bullet train. C. You shouldn't use mobile phones. D. You must carry your identification papers. E. You must stand in line. F. You mustn't sit on the floor. G. You mustn't bargain.
Tape script 5.14.4.
In the school holidays, I danced in a show called The Smile of Angkor. The show tells the story of the great Angkor civilization. To be a good dancer, I have to exercise every day. I have to go to dance class. I have to practice my dance moves. In the show, I do a lot of different dances. I have to dance the Apsara dance. I have to dance the peacock dance. I have to dance the Shiva dance. Wat Thai is in the show too. She does Bokatao. To be good at Bokatao, she has to exercise a lot. She has to practice kicking. She has to practice punching. In the show, she has to fight a demon.
Tape script 5.14.5.
A. I have to go to dance class. B. I have to dance the Apsara dance. C. I have to dance the Shiva dance. D. She has to exercise a lot. E. She has to practice punching.
Tape script 5.15.1.
Beauty waits for Wat Thai. She works on a farm. She loves beauty. She rides beauty. Wat Thai washes beauty. Wat Thai brushes beauty.
Tape script 5.15.2.
Rest. Likes. Plays. Relaxes. Does. Dresses. Watches. Lives. Laughs.
Tape script 5.15.4.
I like to go to Songsa Island for my holidays. I go there with Mr. Pirrot. I wake at 6 a.m. every day and he wakes at 10 a.m. Mr. Pirrot likes to swim in the sea and I like to walk along the beautiful beaches. After my walk, I relax near the swimming pool. Mr. Pirrot relaxes on the beach after he swims in the sea. For dinner, Mr. Pirrot eats crab and I eat oysters. At the end of the day, I sleep in a beautiful big bed, and Mr. Pirrot sleeps in a hammock on the balcony.
Tape script 5.15.5.
A. Mr. Pirrot likes to swim in the sea. B. I like to walk along the beautiful beaches. C. Mr. Pirrot eats crab. D. I eat oysters. E. I sleep in a beautiful big bed.